Here I have Nokia 5310 2020, and today I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset operation on this device. So basically I'm just going to show you how to restore all the settings to the defaults. So firstly, you have to go to the menu, then go to the settings, scroll down to the bottom and select the last option, reset factory settings, restore factory settings I mean. And after that it will be restored in 2 or 3 seconds. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.